Welcome to the Unity 3D Training Series 6, Unity Tool Development. In this set of training videos, we're going to take a journey into the pre-production world of game development. Before we ever begin making a game with code and art, we as developers, we need to pause for a moment and think about the projects and workflow that our projects are going to demand of us. Every day, a designer, artist, programmer sit at a computer and push buttons all day long. In the midst of all this button smashing, we want to keep our minds active to the process and the approach that we're taking to the tasks that we have. We need to make sure that we're asking ourselves questions during these days, like, can this be done faster? Can it be done better, more efficiently? Am I doing the same thing over and over? And if so, can I automate that somehow? Sometimes this thought process comes in the middle of development. Sometimes it comes at the end, but regardless of when it does come, we hope that it does, because giving careful thought about what we do and how we do development can be vital to the success of the projects that we work on. What we want to do is take a look at some simple ways that we can get started with making our projects a little quicker, a little more efficient. Unity provides us with the ability to extend the editor in many different ways, from developing our own windows and tools to components and GUIs. As with any part of development, a subject can be very deep, and to help us get a grasp of the subject, we want to start simple and build with more complex ideas. The projects that we're going to invest the next several hours of our time together on are going to be several tools within Unity and outside of Unity in 3D Studio Max. Here we can see what the order of these are going to be. The first is going to be a Unity folder creator, and then to a Unity prefab creator, and then a Unity sprite sheet editor, and a Unity tile creator, a Unity timer class, and then outside of Unity we'll look at 3D Studio Max for batch exporting and generating sprite sheets with the renderer. Now, with that said, let's go ahead and get started working on our first editor script and have a little fun.